Satoshi had a vision.
With a stable protocol takes away power.
Satoshi had a vision.
BTC changed my protocol.
Satoshi had a vision.
What we have is we have my original vision and a bunch of criminals.
Satoshi had a vision.
Has an audit trail forever for a reason.
Satoshi had a vision. Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system.
How long are you willing to wait this out? Because, you know, what you could call it a
2026.
2020. Dear Lord.
That's my date.
No one can sell until 2026. So
I want them to burn everything they own. Then we finish.
My name is Craig Wright. I'm the creator of Bitcoin. And some of you know me as Satoshi Nakamoto.
I don't like criminals.
Satoshi had a vision.
There is no fucking king. There is no glorious leader. One thing I will do, yes, someone got it right. I am here to kill off Satoshi.
Satoshi had a vision.
The crypto community.